This is Lee from GQ Laser. Now it's lunching time, so I take video for you because now it's very quiet. This is our second factory. Main product is our standard model. Yeah, now this part is for tube laser. Another part is for sheet laser. Now the tube laser, our model MZ and L model is my model. We all produce here. Now you can see in this factory we have more than I think around 80 sites, 80 sites tube laser under production. And in the first factory you checked already, we have around 60 sites, 60 sites under production. So totally around 150 sites per month. So you know GQ tube laser is number one in China. I mean the tube laser only. This is our second workshop for sheet laser cutting machine. This machine with loading and unloading system. Our sheet laser with loading and unloading system. You can check. The production line. Okay everyone, today's video is finished. Every question you can contact me. This is Lee from GQ Laser. Best wish is for you. Goodbye.